Middle zone is for here and now, present, today, this moment, khana pina, kapde, gossiping, picnics, parties. A lot of writings are middle zone writings. Gujarati is a strong middle zone writing. That's why picnics, parties, gossiping, dressing up, food. That is the reason they are involved so much in picnics and parties and food. They live for food. Isn't it? That's why Gujarati is a strong middle zone writing. That's why Garba. That's why that element of impatience. They are not bothered about so many important things. They fight on a very small issue. So that is a strong middle zone writing. That's why so comfortable 2 days, touring, kapda, खाने में इतना concentration. Local में भेल खाएंगे तो भी they don't compromise on any of the chutneys. So that's a strong middle zone. I'm just giving one example of I've got about at least totally more than 4,000 Gujarati students. I've learned Gujarati because of those students. But ultimately strong middle zone. Ultimately a strong middle zone. Now this, whatever I have written on the board, is a strong middle zone writing. It is staying in the more prominently in the middle zone. This is a strong middle zone writing. Impatience, too much concentration in the middle zone, too much concentration on middle zone activities, khana pina, gossiping, dressing up, trips, tours. Now, if a person has got a strong middle zone, then he'll be keen in, talking present. You'll feel good about this person for a short period of time, but you'll not like him after some time. Because how much time you can talk about dressing up? How much time you can talk about food? How much time? Now this food we have is very good, and how much? How long you can talk about this? You'll feel bored after some time. You'll really feel bored after some time. So, about your dresses, about your khana pina, about tours, about picnics, about your dresses, too much of concentration. You feel bored. Because there is no big future to this, there is no good past to this. And why do you get so strong middle zone writing? Why? Because, see, you have to live life. And as you grow, as you evolve, you have to leave certain things. And if you stay in the middle zone, you are living only today. Are you aware what is the biggest middle zone, right? What is the biggest middle zone in your life? What is the biggest middle zone in your life?
20 to 40 years.
Biggest middle zone. What is the prominent middle zone? What is the middle zone concept? The middle zone, ultimate middle zone concept is your breath. That's the only present. Yes or no? What is the present? How do you touch the present? How do you touch the present? Breath. The moment you become aware of the breath, you are living in the present. Everything else is past or future. Everything else is past or future. Breath is the only present. You think about this for next 7 days and let me know after 7 days which is the biggest middle zone. And ultimately where it is? In the lungs. See, center. Between the chakras, 3 chakras up, 3 chakras down, absolutely middle, the breath. Yes or no?
Yes.
1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. Set, middle, heart. Isn't it? Yes. Air, breath. This is how the middle zone is. In the case of a strong middle zone idea, see, you have to live life. Okay. Now what happens? What really happens is, if your mother does not allow you to live the middle zone in your childhood, then you stay there. Once you live it, then you grow. These people who have got a strong middle zone writing, they have not been allowed to live the middle zone. The mother, if your mother gives you a 10,000 rupees dress when you are 3-year-old, will she allow you to spoil that dress? She won't allow you to spoil that dress. She'll concentrate on that dress. She'll not concentrate on your likings. What you like at the age of 3, you want to splash. You want to sit in the mud. You want to dirty yourself. You want to put that dirty mud on your face. You want to play in the bathroom. You want to play with that covered water at the age of 3. So you are not allowed. You are not allowed to live the moment. If you are not allowed to do that, then when you grow up, you do that. Then you grow up and do that. Many mothers do not allow the children to play with the toys, no? Why? Because the toy is 10,000 rupees. She doesn't allow you to spoil the dress because the dress is 15,000. That's why the schools nowadays allow them to splash the water, dirty themselves. Yes, that's why the schools allow. Clay, mud, planting the trees, swimming, all these are school parts. The moment you do all these things, this will help you a lot. If your child plays, then what happens is, suppose he tells, a boy tells you that I have never seen a girl in my life. Is that boy good? No. That means that seeing the girl is still pending. Now he is going to start. Now he wants to marry her. And he has never seen a girl. Now he is going to start. All those uncles who touch you or who, behave very dicey manner are uncles, those who have not teased or teased the girls. That's why that thing pending, they keep on pushing the girls on the way. Once it gets over, they have grown over it. Now, if he teases the girls beat him, now the matter is over. Now he is going to grow. That is middle zone. You have to live to get over it. If you don't, just see, if you have not eaten a cup of ice cream, suppose a particular type of ice cream you have not eaten, you always have a craving for that ice cream. Once you eat that ice cream, finish up the matter. The next thing you say, this ice cream, I had it yesterday, just let's talk something else now. You have grown over it. People with strong middle zone have not grown over it. They are still living in the middle zone, still living in that. People with strong middle zone give beautiful addresses, They can spend 15 minutes giving the address. These strong middle zone people want to concentrate on the day-to-day living. And they would like to concentrate on day-to-day living because they have got nothing else to think. I have got nothing else to talk to you. Now we'll talk about your dress, food, and your house. If I have got something else to speak, if I have got something in the upper zone, then I'll move from the middle zone to the upper zone. And if I have got something to do, if I have got something to speak, upper zone. If I have got something to do, lower zone. Middle zone, fine. I'm not saying you are not supposed to live in the middle zone. Khana pina picnic, everything we had, fine. Now, let's go to the upper zone or let's go to the